Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I got another set of cases here for the Galaxy Note 9 as I take a sip of tea, and we're going to run through it for Ringke. So I'm just going to pop a couple of these on. This is probably got to be one of my favorite cases from Ringke. I mean, it is just awesome sauce. This has got to be the best one. All certified with drop protection. Boom, this looks so good. I love the design of this one. I love the grip, everything about it. You got a little bit of lip protection along the top and bottom, which is always good. All the buttons are covered on both sides, and then you have the ports open along the bottom. Sloping design for the fingerprint reader, so this is just a go. I like this case for all of my devices, I think, man. I really like it, man. Stay tuned for a massive Note 9 giveaway suite on Twitter, so make sure you follow me on Twitter at Mr. J.L. Williams. I will be popping up doing giveaways on Twitter at the drop of a dime, just popping things out. This one right here, I don't think I'm a fan of this one. Just the design of it is kind of weird, but I don't know. Yeah, it's okay. It's a rugged style case, really boxy. You know, you still got that lip protection. Buttons are covered, but the ports are open here. And obviously the ports are open on the bottom. Honestly, this looks like some kind of weird transformer case. I don't know about this one, Ringke. I got love for you, but I'm not feeling that one. It's just something about it, I don't really care for it. So definitely gonna see that one on a giveaway on Twitter. So be sure. Or I might do a giveaway out here on YouTube. I haven't really decided yet. But there will be some massive giveaways. Now I do like Ringke's clear cases, man. These are really, really nice. Really like Ringke's clear cases. They're just really nice because they have lots of grip and they really cuff the phone, and they don't make the phone any bigger. So again, all ports and everything are open on the bottom. Obviously you got an open port on the back here, and you've got the microphone up there. So nice thin clear case, so it'll be able to show off your device. I'll probably keep that one for my Note 9. It's a nice one. All right, on to the next. This is a purple one. This is a Wave. These are nice right here. I like these too. The Wave is a good case from Ringke. Even this purple doesn't look too bad. I mean, you know, it just depends on what you like. But the pattern and everything is so nice, man. I got a gray one like this for my Galaxy Note 8. Buttons and everything are covered, same style, a little bit of lip protection, and the ports are open for you. I like the Waves. I'd rock this purple case if I had a black Galaxy Note 8, or excuse me, Galaxy Note 9. I'd rock with this purple. This isn't bad. But my Galaxy Note 9 is not going to be blue, and it's not going to be lilac. So, yeah, we'll see. Stay tuned. If you haven't guessed, this is a dummy Galaxy Note 9. I bought me a dummy Galaxy Note 9 because the Galaxy Note 9 that I want, I canceled my Galaxy Note 9 from Samsung because I got a better deal elsewhere. And I'm just kind of waiting. This is called grip, folks. This thing has so much grip, it's unreal. It is unreal. Again, thin lip protection, a little bit of ridge on the power button and Bixby button is smooth. Or wait, power, Bixby button is ridged, and ports are cut out on the bottom, man. Quick and to the point case reviews for the Galaxy Note 9. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next video. Take care.